In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. If you've been using the free version and want faster responses, priority access during peak times, and early access to new features, this walkthrough will make the upgrade smooth and stress-free. First, open your preferred web browser and search for ChatGPT. You'll likely see several results, including ads. Look for the official ChatGPT page from OpenAI. A quick way to confirm you're in the right place is to check the domain and make sure you see a secure connection with the padlock icon in your address bar. When in doubt, favor the result that clearly indicates it's the official ChatGPT site rather than a third-party guide or blog. Click the correct link to open ChatGPT. If you land on a marketing page, look for a button that takes you to the chat app. Once the app loads, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use the same sign-in method you normally use, whether that's with an email and password or a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your chat workspace. Inside the app, find the upgrade option. Depending on your screen size, you'll typically see it near the bottom of the left sidebar or within your account or profile menu. Click Upgrade to open the plans page. Here, you'll see a list of available plans along with a brief summary of features and current pricing. Select ChatGPT Plus to proceed. Take a moment to review what's included so you know exactly what you're getting. Plus is designed for people who want more reliable access and faster performance, especially when demand is high. When you're ready, continue to the checkout. Next, add your payment details. You can usually pay with a major credit or debit card, and in some regions, alternative payment methods are supported. Make sure your name and billing address match what your bank has on file, and double-check the currency and total before you continue. If your bank uses additional security checks, you may be asked to verify the purchase. When everything looks correct, click Subscribe. You should see a confirmation screen and receive a receipt by email. From now on, your account will reflect the Plus plan, and you can manage your subscription or billing details in the app's settings under your account or plan section. If the upgrade option doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh or signing out and back in usually resolves it. That's it. You've upgraded to ChatGPT Plus and are ready to enjoy a faster, more reliable experience.